Hi, baby. What are you making for me today? Baby, this looks so delicious. Yum.
Yeah. So today I'll be making for you vegetable cook up with codfish or Jamaican saltfish. So my vegetable entails pop chow, okra, cabbage, and I have carrots, onions, scallions, thyme, tomato, peppers, crushed bunny pepper, bell pepper, and don't forget our garlic and thyme. Saute in good old coconut oil. And I add spinach in my season for little color because I didn't have any green bell pepper. Yes, guys. So I have some fresh banana from Dominica. I have some nice Ghanaian yam. And I have some good old pumpkin from Mexico, along with my fried plantains from Ecuador. And I have my small but tasty Mexican avocado, along with some good old chew juice, orange juice from Jamaica.
Nice.
Yes.
So, what did you put in when you were sauteing the seasons?
So I saute. I'm different. I'm special.
I know.
So I saute my season in coconut oil, along with virgin cold pressed olive oil from Italy. So I saute my season for about 3 to 5 minutes. As I said, I had some spinach for coloring. After I saute the season, I add the saltfish or the Jamaican codfish. Stir fry for the next 3 minutes. Then I add my vegetables and I store them thoroughly to evenly distribute the saltfish and the coconut flavor what I use.
So, can you just give me a hint why you saute your seasoning?
Oh, so to get the scent or the smell out of the herbs and spices, you gotta saute them.
Okay.
You gotta fry them, to get that nice aroma.
Along with
Yes.
the flavor.
Yeah, and I evenly stir them in, so the saltfish can add taste to the vegetable. And I forgot, I had a little bit of all-purpose and a little bit of black pepper or cayenne pepper to taste up.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, and, I use my wooded spoon in the skillet because I didn't want to scrape the material. Keep it nice and pretty for future use. And I steam down some bananas, yam, pumpkin. Yes, and I did some fried plantain.
And I see that you have some okra.
Yeah.
In the vegetable also.
Yes, that's for me, especially slippery. Yes, the okra. It add a crunch, And I do my vegetables from to the bite, al dente. They are very pretty. The color remain intact when I'm finished. They are not soggy. They are not, they're presentable.
So how long do you recommend to steam the vegetable?
Oh, 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Want to keep the nutrients in them. Okay, I see you're plating.
And I add a little vegan butter.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a little vegan butter. We're eating healthy. Health is wealth.
Living healthy, being wealthy.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Getting older, so we have to take care of the
Thank you, guys.
body.
Subscribe and like to my channel.
Drop a comment below.
If you see I make a shorts and you want the full video, tell me. Because sometimes I just give you a little hint. And if you like the short, if you want to see the whole process, just tell me and I'll make it. Yeah, because I'm a chef by profession.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm out.
Remember to like, subscribe, share the video, and do this vegetable. Keep healthy, stay wealthy. Bye.